Alright, boys and girls, we've made it out of the quiet bell, and now we're back into normal volume mode here with Eve and Ellie, the killer E's. What's up? Doing a little explicit formula review. Don't be alarmed, there's no bad language. Okay, it says explicit, but it's all good. This is PG. Alright? How come you don't take a shower with Pokemon? Because he might Pikachu. And we're on into explicit formulas. Here we go. Alright, girls. What's the difference between an arithmetic set of numbers and a geometric set of numbers? Do you know that answer? Excellent. So what they're saying in the background is in arithmetic, you either add or subtract to get to the next term. Ellie, can you give me your favorite number, please? 7. Eve, your favorite number, please? Okay. Did I succeed in making this an arithmetic sequence? I think so too. Good answer. What is going on in between each term? We are adding 6 each time. Since these numbers over here are going up by 1 each time, that means that our slope is 6. Each time we take a step forward on the graph, we've got to go up 6 steps to get back to the next point. Does that make sense? Alright, are you familiar with y equals mx plus b? What does the m stand for? It's slope. It's very poorly named. I don't know why they didn't do y equals sx plus y. But anyway, don't worry about it. Do you know what the b means? Yes, the b is the y-intercept, which is the point that the graph crosses the y-axis. The trick to that is x will be 0 to find out the y-intercept. Now, follow the pattern backwards. So 31 became 25, 25 became 19, 19 became 13, 13 became 7, so 7's going to go to 1. That's the way it wrote a 1. ViewSonic. Okay? So, we now know that b equals 1. So what is our explicit formula for this one?
Y equals 6x plus 1.
Alright, now, time for the graphing calculator. Okay? Check this out. Turn it on. Y equals... Well, no. Y equals clear. Alright, 6. I'm just 6. I can't get this thing to touch right. 6. Alright, your variable is always right here. X. And then plus 1. Okay? We could graph it. I'll graph it just so you see what it looks like. It's a line. That's good because we thought it was linear or arithmetic. But what we really want to look at, come on, get over here. Get over here. Alright, is the table. So hit second graph. And now can you see that table from where you're sitting? How's it looking? Exactly the same. So that's how you know we got it right. That's a way for you to check your answer using your graphing calculator. Got it? Alright, good. Now, we've talked through arithmetic. Now let's talk through geometric. What makes something a geometric? We either multiply or divide from get to one term to another. Mr. Reardon, your favorite number, please? Great. Thanks for that one. He went with 17. So, we are going to make the next one 34. And then we're going to go 68. And then we're going to go with, what next? Can you do that in your head? So it's 120 plus 16. So it's 120 plus 16. So it's 136. Aren't we doubling it every time? Okay. And then we're going to go with 200 and 72. And just because you made a mistake, Eve, I don't think that you're stupid. Unlike what you said to me earlier today, where you literally called me stupid because of my video. Just so you know, I am stupid and I am crazy. I only like running with people that I consider crazy. If you're normal, you're not my type. Okay? Alright, so how are we getting from Mr. Reardon's favorite number, 17, to the next number? We multiplied by 2. And then what do? We multiplied by 2. We multiplied by 2. Okay? Now, you guys don't know anything about geometric formulas yet, so let's get into that. I'm going to turn to red so you can see me a little bit better. Just like we have this standard formula, y equals mx plus b, a geometric sequence has a standard formula. It's y equals b times r to the x. B is the same thing. It's still our y-intercept. But now r is our ratio of increase. So what is our r in this case? Our r is 2. What is our b? Well, that's going to take a little work. Okay? So to find our b, we need to put in a 0 for our x, and we need to divide by 2. So 17 divided by 2 is?
8.5.
Very good, 8.5. So now our geometric is y equals 8.5. I like to use parentheses for this, but you could use the dot sign, times 2 to the x. Sometimes the book has that. I don't like that notation at all. I don't use that way. So that's why you just come and talk to me. If your answer is different than the one in the book, that doesn't mean you're wrong. I know it is. I have so much to do. Do you understand that I'm trying to accomplish many things right now? So all we can do is our best. Thank you, Tricia. All right. Let's come over here. Y equals. You ready to learn how to type this into your calculator? Hold on, just stay here. I don't have time. Stay here, and then you can come back and practice. 8.5. You can just put the parentheses there. 2. This is called the caret button. It takes something to whatever power you want. We want it to get to the x power, okay? So that's what our equation looks like. Let's see if we did it right. Second table. Wabambulance. I mean, this is a good way to get things right. Your graphing calculator is going to be your security blanket. It will, yes, it will help you so much. I promise I'm not wasting your money. Go get one today. Can I get a boom? Boom!